Wow, such a nice day. You know what would make this day even better? A Tempest Cola. Hey, you just burped. What do you say? What the 2810? Didn't you learn your lesson from previous episodes? And why are you colored red? I am not 2810 anymore. I am the Burpinator. If you burp I will fire my laser at you. And you burped so loud it made my ears ring. So now, you will face my laser. What the frack? I've never seen anything like that from 2810. Dang it. He got away. So far it's been a surprisingly great day. I haven't seen P50 all day. Nothing can ruin this day.
Hey, it's a toilet. Time to take a crap.
Are you kidding me? Come on, boss, I'm using. You are not P50. And I am not a toilet. And why are you red?
Because I am a crazy evil siren and I will now sound all my siren tones simultaneously and blow you so far away.
Oh my god. How did she manage to blow me all the way to Snurby Mart? I have never seen her like that. Well, time to find a learner, aka Mr. Toilet. He is going to get a treat especially, since I overloaded in chicken nuggets and Tempest Cola.
Well, it's a giant trash compactor.
What the heck? I thought you were defeated. I especially don't remember you making love serums again.
I am not 1003 anymore. I am Fury Bolt again. I have a totally evil and awesome power to manipulate lightning. I will now make lightning chase you all the way to Snurby Mart.
WTF T50. Blame Fury Bolt. Wait, did you say Fury Bolt?
You morons will never defeat me. Well, time to zap other sirens. Until next time, you big toilet and trash bucket.
Wow. I am speechless.
Oh look, a paintball gun.
Hey, don't call me that. And why are you red?
I have evil and awesome powers better than you.
You're not even louder than the T22.
Oh, that's it. I will now sound off my super loud and improved beat tone. It will be so loud you will pass out. I made him pass out. Now to go screw with other tornado sirens.
I now have 4 sirens under my control. And now, with my new and improved computer and controls, it's time to wreak more havoc in DSM world.